We clearly have a glass shower door here, and obviously after every shower it is full of water, and we do have this like little squeegee here, but we have to like put it on the wall. This constantly falls down. It is such a pain. So we were sent this really fancy one for our review, and I'm gonna be trying it for the very first time. This is all like silicone. Like this part is hard, but also kind of soft, and like then it's got this like built-in hook right here. As you can see, it's nice and soft. So when I'm not using it, I can just hook it right up here. I don't have to drill. I don't need any sticky pieces or anything like that. So let's go ahead and see. We just took our shower. So as you can see, there's a bunch of water right here. I'm just gonna do one little pass and see. And oh, so nice and easy, really, really sturdy. And I do love how long it is. This is like 10 inches. So you do get a really good width right here, which is super nice. And obviously one little pass, and look at that, streak free, no more water. This thing is awesome.